Okay, good. So now let me go to how we get to this part, in a sense that we are actually here just because we want to learn how to run advert through Facebook, through Meta ad on Facebook and IG. So as you can see, the display that you are seeing here, for instance, you can see awareness, traffic, sales, lead. I'm going to explain them one by one to us. So when you come to this landing page, just go to add. Do you see? Go to ad manager. When you click on it, then it will go to the main dashboard. So if you are just starting, you go to start now. You can see this link here, start now. It will open a page where you'll be able to automatically, it is going to open a dashboard, and the dashboard is going to be attached to your account, not your page. You know that your page is created under your account. Do you get? So it's going to open under your account, not your page. So now this is now, because I'm actually running an advert at the moment, so it's giving me my own recommendations, like based on, I'm actually running a traffic website where it's called conversion, right? So it's giving me option that if I could do this, I would get more result than whatsoever I'm running at the moment. So I'm just going to show you a few of what I'm doing so that I was able to, this network should be fast, please. So now you can see currently within 7 days, this is advert I've run within 7 days. Yeah. And there's some are still going, in the last 7 days, I was able to reach 228,000. Is it 228,000? I don't know. This is 200 and something thousand, right? 282,000. Yeah, reach. And then part 1,000, I spent 400 naira, 440 kobo, 440 440 naira, 0.52 kobo, yeah. Then the amount totally spent within 7 days is 168,000 naira currently spent. Yeah. So each of these final results here, these are the breakdown. Okay, so the ads are still going. See, that is why you can see they're active, 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 active. So I'm coming out. I want to show us. I'm just giving us this breakdown so that we get to understand. Say actually this from IG, Instagram, because I just started this one this morning. That was why I said I woke up very early this morning to run this particular advert. So this one has been on, and we are telling them to go to your website. I think this like within 4 days, 2,001 people have clicked to the website. This one 240. The reason why it is more active is because it is video. This is video advert. This image advert, just logo, and we see have over 240 people, 240 person actually click on it. These are the same image. Then this is video as well. This image, this video. You understand? Even without saying so much, as we still have more of adverts running on that. If I should show you all adverts, you see more adverts running. So this is an interface. So I want to show us how this thing works generally. If you are not running adverts, you won't see all this advice at all saying, okay, create at 1% lower cost. They want us to reduce price. Based on my expenses, they are telling me that this 440 is much, that we can still reduce the price. So that's why they are giving this option here. But regardless, I think I'm still fair. So if you notice here, if you look, you know that this is attached to my account. It is not to my page, not the name. Is Olumide. And if you see amount spent, this is currently amount I've spent within 7 days. This is total amount I've spent 2.28 million naira I've actually spent, and it's still going on. So that's that. So I will go into this one here. This is the table of the ads, which shows the campaign. That is campaign that I've run before. I know that has been going, so you can see them one by one. This one will show you more details in the sense that it's going to give you date, timing, your what's it called? It's going to give you every details in the sense that you can download here, you can choose date and see when your ad start and your objective of your advert, you see everything here. Do you understand? So it goes a long way where you're able to see a lot. So you can see different advert that is still running. So you just scroll down, you can see the budget, you can see each budget here. You can see within the days, you can see the results. You get, and this is the results. Okay, the one that I ran this morning has given 2 click. The one that I started this morning, so 2% have actually clicked it, so they were able to go to the website. And then it has reached 192%, and the amount per click is 19. The amount per click. No, did I press something else here? It just changed. I'm coming. Why is my system doing this? It just changed now. It just changed interface. I'm coming. Let me on this. Sorry, my system is bit hanging. I don't know why. I think I need to on this one. So in summary, yeah, so what's wrong with my system? So yeah, this basically give you more details about what we're actually running currently, like the current one. Then you see your total, you can add the total report, how many people have reached, total export. You see a lot on breakdown, total amount spent, total conversion spent. You see them, and when your advert is going to end. So you see a lot. And if you want the chart, so you can get the chart here. If you want to export to, maybe you want to give your client what you'll be able to do, then you do that. So the next one here is called the ad report. Maybe you have an issue with advert whatsoever and so on. If maybe your advert is not working well, you want to report the advert and so on and so forth. So you know that at that part you can do, at this section you can do that. Okay. Then the major one here I want us to know is how to add fund to your ad balance here. So after this one, I'll go to the ad balance where you can add money to actually fund your account. Do you understand? But for now, we are not reporting any ad issues here. So let me just go back. Okay, because I've not actually report any ads before. Most of my adverts always get to what I really want to. So this is just a graph of what is going on the ad account. All this cannot be done on basically on your mobile phone. Trust me, you'll be frustrated. You understand? So now this is where you can see where this card is, where we have bidding and payment. Bidding and payment. So I'm going to do a simple transaction now so that I just want to add like 1,000 naira to the ad account so that we know what works for, so that we can see how it works. Okay. So you can add money to run advert, you can put money to run your ad, which is very key. So just wait while it loads. And at this point, internet has to be good. It is not just the random internet that you'll be looking for. Your internet has to be very strong in doing this part because it's a lot. This is just Facebook and IG whatsoever. So as you can see here, you can see everything is being attached to your account, not to your page. You can see my name is there, my name is there. So this is my ID for my name. So currently I have 63,000 naira in my account at the moment. So this is how they are collecting their money. They do collect money every day. You can see 27,000, 31,000. So I actually added money here, which is was paid. I funded the account. Was it yesterday? Yeah, 50K. You get. So you can see how it is being done. So every transaction, every of the debit will be, so yeah, I added 100K, you understand? So that is how I keep adding money. And then, so I'm going to show us how to add money now to it now. So it's very simple. This called prepaid balance. It is from this balance they will be deducting on your advert every day. You actually run an ad. So I want to add fund now. So I'll add fund. So in this adding of fund here, you can use any of the options that you want to use. Yeah, but for me, I used to use PayU Naira payments with MasterCard or Visa card. So if you want to use debit card, fine. If you want to do transfer, if you want to do bank transfer as well, this is USD transfer, this is bank transfer. But for me, yeah, I used to use what's it called? Let me see how to do 1,000 naira to the money here. Let me see how to do 1,000 naira just so for us to see how it works. So I'm going to click the best option that is resonate with me. If you know that debit, if you have your card that you want to do it, the same thing, fix it that way. If you know you want to use your USD code, fix it that way. If you know you can do transfer. But for me, I prefer using PayU, just like an intermediary. So I'll press next. All right. So the next is going to give me option where to put my, information of my card details where I'm going to. So it's asking me open a Naira payment with MasterCard or Visa card. So what works here is MasterCard or Visa card. Yeah. So it's going to load then, which is PayU payment platform automatically. So it's taking me to this platform. So this has been the account I've been using to pay for a while, over like 3 years right now. So and it has been working. So now information needed here. So it's telling you that from Facebook, you can see meta ads. PayU Facebook meta ad enable you to, then you put your card, put your whatsoever, then you put your what's it called? Your month, your year. I would have loved to put my information just to, but I don't know where this video is going to reach. I won't want to do that. I think you should understand better. So I want to fix that right now in this scenario. So it's as simple as that. That is how it is being done. So imagine you want to run an advert for your brand. You're able to navigate through the ad manager. You're able to navigate through the payment platform. You can add money yourself. It's no problem. So part of our assignment will be we need to go and add money. Maybe it's 5,000 naira to our ad account manager. You understand? It's important. So before I move forwardly into the ad properly, now there is guidelines. There are guidelines. Facebook ad system used to block account. So I had two experience at the point I was about to run advert for a client and I funded the account. I did a blunder. There was an ad that ran there then, which they actually seized the account for like 1 month. I was writing a billing message for like a month before it was unlocked for me back. The second one was there was a client that they suspended his account and I was not aware of it. Then he wants me to run an advert. Then he had to add me to an admin of his page. Automatically, the suspension automatically affects my ad manager, which means, and I have money inside the account, but I cannot run advert at the time. So we still went back to write appeal that this is my account, and then it has I was not my account was not the account that was suspended. So it was a front and back conversation, and then you won't want to have that kind of experience because it's not a good experience at all. So it was a front and back, I think like 3 weeks or 4 weeks before the account was actually, being active back. So please, my always go to Facebook, add a policy or whatever, go and read them. They are online. Don't interfere with their policy. Just don't no copyright, no using of a lot of activity that they have there to please, if you have any question again, just go to YouTube or watch it on what's it called? On your normal Google search question, or you can use ChatGPT, ask them what is Facebook ad manager policy. So now imagine we want to run an advert now, yeah. So I said initially, we have to the type of advert. For today's class, we are running an awareness campaign. Everybody is going to do that. So even if it's 2,000 naira you want to run it, just do it maybe a 2 days and share with us the results, where the result get to, and so on and so forth. So you send a screenshot in the group chat. So the first thing here, you come to this part here, campaign. Yeah, I guess it's filming from this end. So we're about to run an ad now, which is very important. So we are doing this for Facebook. Maybe tomorrow we run for the IG, right? Because we'll be doing the IG on phone. Okay. So now these are the ads going on, and then we want to run a new campaign just for this class. Sorry, it's still loading. At this point, internet has to be very good, like very, 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 very good. It has to be very good. So still loading. So I think it has loaded. So look at this button here where you see create. Click on create here. So it's loading. So it will ask you questions. So do you want awareness? Just like what we said. Do you want traffic? Traffic is more like engagement. Like conversion. You want them to call you, you want them to go to your website, you want them to go to a particular place, you understand? So engagement is to get people to talk about your product, to like it, share it, and so on and so forth. Lead is part of what engage is part of conversion. App promotion too is part of awareness, and sometimes lead to lead at the same time if you know how to work it very well. Then sales too is conversion. So know these three aspects here, they actually fall under this category: conversion, awareness, and engagement. All of this. So for now, our buying type here is giving us option of buying type here. Is it auction or reverse? But for now, make it on auction, which is awareness. When you click on awareness, so look at what it's telling you now. It shows your ad to people who are most likely to remember them. Reach, it give you reach, it give your brand awareness, it give your video views, it give you store location awareness. So let's go to traffic and see the difference. So traffic is link click, landing page views, Instagram profile views, messenger, Instagram or call or WhatsApp, then calls. Let's go to engagement. You get to understand it better. It's more like post engagement, conversion, calls, message, direct message as well. Then leads to, so if you see your lead is instant form, message, conversion, there's no like, there's no nothing, it's just direct. So app install, that simple as that, an app event, no other story. So you go for what you really want so that you get the result of what you want. If for sales too, sales, conversion, catalog, message, and so on and call. But for today's class, we are going for awareness. Then you continue. So you see at this point here, please, you have to calm down very easy because a lot is happening. You can see the interface is totally different here. So for instance, here, so let me see, I'm a campaign name is maybe we are doing food campaign. Let me see food camp so that it will be easier. Food camp. Okay. So just go down, just scroll down a bit. So we've done our campaign details. Auction is awareness. So that's very simple. Then you set your budget. If you have a daily budget, like daily budget is you cannot do nothing less than 2,005 or 2,000 minimum per day, 2,500 per day. You understand? At least let it be above $1. You understand? So as you can see, so now the bid still remains the same. 2,500 per day is okay. Then keep coming down. Leave this all this one the way it is for now. Then press next. Press next. So don't forget your ad tag. Just make everything the same so that you won't get confused. As your food camp. So the same thing here, how you measure your success for your ad. So how do you want to measure your ad? Like, okay, anything you click enable you to know that, okay, this is what I want. Okay, do you want you to reach maximum reach of your ad, maximum number of impression, maximum ad recall lift, which we try to show on people's ad, like just like the way Temu is there, they're just showing you back to back. This is what they are using. You'll just be seeing it every time, every day, every time on your server. They will be seeing it. They can see it like 10 times a day. Do you want if you know that your post is video, you use this one. Like, do you want to maximum thought play? Like thought play, like it will be showing autoplay. You understand? Like, do you understand? Then it is like 2 seconds play as well. So these are the options that we can choose from. That is your performance group. So now it's asking us which page do you want to run the ad from. So now you can see that it's not showing us an account at this moment. So you believe that you want to promote your account from a particular page. So for instance here, if you click on this, you can see these are a couple of pages that I have here on my account. So I have on this page 24 pages. I see I have a few pages here. So anyone I want to run ad on, so you can see these are pages. So for now, let's use this Cash Gain City ad, this company's account. So let's scroll down a bit. Let's go down a bit. Let's go down. So you just leave all the other assets there for now. So now this is the time you want your ad to start. You set your daily budget to 2,005. You want it to start on 33rd, which is today. I want it to start by maybe like 11:15. Because by the time we will be done with setup, we should be before 11:15. So 11:15. So if you want it to come in, okay. So end date of your ad, click here. Click the date you want it to, or maybe you want it maybe like 3 days. You can't hit 1, 2, 3. Do you understand? Then what time do you want to stop? Most I like to put it by 12. Okay, just calm down again. Yeah, for now, the major thing you should be worried after here is your location. Where do you want people to get to see your ad? This is very key. You can put any, if you want it in Lagos, put Lagos State here. This is Nigeria. So if I don't want Nigeria, I will just cancel Nigeria and then come in. So I don't want Nigeria now, so I'll cancel Nigeria, remove Nigeria. So if you just want Lagos or your street alone, okay, let me say Lagos. Sorry, put it here. So search for Lagos. Lagos, Nigeria. Lagos. Let's see. Lagos, Nigeria. So it's just going to be around Lagos. So if you don't want Lagos and you want maybe like a local government, so at this point too, you can reduce your radius. Where is that again? So coming. So it's showing basically in Lagos, yeah. So you can as well exclude it or remove it out. So depending on how you want it, but for now, let's just continue for now anyway. So if you want a particular local government, if it is Alimosho or Egbeda, just put it there, or Ikorodu or Island, or so just put your search button here, then to give you everything you want. You get, so just keep scrolling down. Now, this is another important thing that we would love us to talk about, because we talk about interest of people that would like to be our product in our first or second class, where we talk about their interest, the people who want them to see our. So you understand. So this is where your audience comes in. You get. So let me see. So let's suggest a new option. So for instance, you want to create a name for your new audience, new one. So most time you need to change a lot. Let me go to switch to original, then from there. I don't want to use the advantage whatsoever. Which is person? He's slamming me with incoming, please. 1 minute. There's nothing serious here. I'm just trying to create a new one entirely. I don't want to use Facebook. I don't want to use Facebook option. So you say, so this is, I'm going to create a new audience myself. If these are the one that I've saved before, the one that I've used for that client, these are saved, the one that I've used for that client. So if I click on any of this one, you will see they have different interests or choice of people. So create audience. So I want to create a new audience. So now, what do I want them to do on this particular software? I can easily go on. I do not really want just more of like awareness. Let me say I want to use a video. So just next, you get, so put them engagement whatsoever here. That's just really this place, and you get what you really want at that part. So so my customer audience, maybe people that I've actually created before. You see them here, like if I've actually done an ad on a particular space, I want to use them again. Same thing as what I've saved here as well. You get similar stuff, but different English anyway. So no big deal about that. So if you want to change, just come here. If you want to use your personal one, maybe the kind of age that you want, if you want it from the age 18 to 40 or any age that you really want. But before you can jump on this, you must have gotten your information right. Not that you just come here and be thinking that what age of people I want to use. You understand? You know that, okay, I'm targeted between from 18 to 50, people that can patronize your products. Please don't forget. So if your product is gender based, if it is male or female, if it is female alone that you want to reach out to, you click on female. If it is male alone you want to reach out to, you click on male. But if your product is both male and female, click on all. It's as simple as that. No big deal. Here again. So let's come down again a bit. Then demography is very important. This is where a lot of we'll talk about the kind of people, where they live, who they are, type of location you want them to be, what they really love doing. So if you are selling food, who do you want to target? You want to target family, parents, right? So for it, let's say parents. Sorry, I'm giving this as an example. So related to what you are selling or what you want to be doing. So if you see in parent alone, parents fall under demography. We have over 256,000 here in Lagos that are under this community. So for the children of 18 to 26, see, we have 59 million. We have teenagers too as well, with our teenager parents. Parents that have teenagers, you understand? So it depends on what you're actually doing that will enable you to. So we have parents that are employee, we have demography, we have parents as an interest. People that love to be parents. Do you understand? We have over 295 million people. So these are the suggested places where people that your advert is going to reach. So what is going to make your advert reach more people is based on your investment capital, like how much you are putting. So you cannot compare someone that is putting 10,000 naira per day to you that you are putting 2.5. You can see the reach here. The reach is it will be bigger version compared to you that are putting 2.5 and someone that is putting 10,000. The person that are putting 10,000 will reach a larger audience compared to you that are putting 2.5. I don't know if that is clear. So when you're studying food again, you look at office. If your food is office based or workspace food, office space, you have to relate it to what you want. If your food package is for office people, look for office. If it is for people that are into entertainment, just put it there. Let's just pick one. Home office. I think it's like, just put this for now. So this is just a test run anyway. So at that point here, you're getting closer anyway. So as you can see, your audience defined. Your audience select is fair broad, which is broad because of the number of people that we are choosing anyway. So when you are done with this, so we just save this audience so that we can reuse it again. So in case you want to save it, you just say like test, class test, class text. So if in case you want to reuse this again next time, you don't need to just be choosing one by one, just go back and click it automatically. So you understand? So it will be saved. There's another point where I would like us to talk about here. It's very key. I'm coming. So in case you want to use it again, you just come here, saved one, just see. When you click on this already saved, you see, if you go down, you see class, you can see it has been saved already. That is what we choose. So if I choose any other one here, you see this, you can see this one is Alimosho. You can see, look at the size, look at people that are selected here. If you choose Alibaba and the people that are selected, people that are into wholesale, share, whatever, and so on. So it's as simple as that. So you just come down again. So this is another place is very key that you won't waste money and then you get a good result, which is placement. So now we are on Facebook. You can see advantage plus placement. So this one, I used to do it manually. I don't use their recommendation. In the sense that they can just be putting your advert anywhere they like, but I suggest do manual. When you click on manual enable you to select where you want your advert to be and when you see. So now, because I'm on Facebook, I really don't want, because at this awareness, don't forget the objective is very key. Awareness is not really, I don't want IG to be part of it. I'm taking IG off. I'm taking audience network off. I just want people to get to see my product. I'm taking Messenger off too. So now this is how it works now. So you can see. So now automatically it's telling you where your advert will be showing. It will be on Facebook feed, Facebook profile, Facebook marketplace, Facebook video feed. Do you understand? Those are the places where I'm going to say these are the preview of it. Just imagine I'm not running on IG and it is on IG. Just imagine I click on IG too. Let's watch now. Let's see I click on IG now. Imagine I click on IG now, which is Instagram. Why is it not working again now? What's wrong with this system again? Imagine I click on IG, automatically IG option 2. Wait, see, I've clicked on IG now. See, I click IG option 2 will be, but this one will not refer into my result. It will just be like a waste of money. Most of the time, I encourage people to go to IG to run the advert from IG so that it won't be a waste of money. So for me, I'll uncheck the IG, right? When I uncheck the IG automatically, it will only be on Facebook. Then I'm going to see more results here. It won't carry my advert outside where I asked it to go. Then next, let's click on this. See, I've clicked on it. So don't forget, so that you have synchronization of food camp. You understand? So now don't forget that where we picked before was the cash gain CTO is already there. So because we've unchecked IG, That's why this one is not there. I didn't I know on check IG, it will have automatic pick IG2 as it on it. So now at this point here, you have to pick your ad, like what do you want to post? So for instance, if it is single image or picture, if it is carousel is having multiple images, just like the way you use to flip on IG, and then collection like mobile experience and so on. But for now, I don't want to create, I want to use an existing content. So I'm going to go to existing content here. Yeah. So you now say select post. So it will not take me to the page, to the post of this page. Comment. So it's taking me, taking me to the page of, because I uncheck IG, nothing is there. So these are the posts of the page on Facebook. Then I click on one post. Then when I click on one post, then I said continue. So when I continue, so automatically when I continue here, so it's going to show me how the interface looks like. It's still loading anyway. Still loading. So it's verifying your editing anyway. So it's going to verify everything and I'm going to show you how it's going to look like. As you can see, it's showing us how it's going to look like on the ads. You can see this is how it's going to look like. So before that, let's check. You understand? These are the captions that came with on the post. You get. Then if you want to, if you can see your call to action is, well, that's the way I'm talking about. This is on WhatsApp. So I want to change this WhatsApp to something. Maybe I want them to go to a website, or I want them to sign up. Click on this part. You can see request time. You want them to save your post. See menu. Maybe you are into food vendor. You want them to see your menu. Automatically, you must have uploaded your menu on a website or in a link. You want them to shop now. You want them to sign up for anything you want them to do, right? So anyone you want them to do, if you sign up that you want, it will ask you your sign up link, so that when people click on the sign up, it will go to a particular place. If you want them to request an order, the same thing, to ask you your order link whatsoever and so forth. So let's say we want them to sign up, for instance, maybe say facebook.com, for instance, face.com. Let's say this is .com.ng, so that, see, understand. So automatically it's going to scan. Let's say hopefully the site is available anyway. So it's going to update. So you see that the preview will have changed by now. You won't see WhatsApp there anymore. So you see it has gone to sign up. And these are going to be on a tablet. This is other version of preview. This on the phone. These are going to be on the phone. These are going to be on the screen. Do you understand? So let's just continue. So moving forward here. So because we are not connecting it to WhatsApp. WhatsApp is all part of Facebook too. So automatically they want to use their WhatsApp also, but just click on none, then it will automatically go to your normal one. When you are done here, so what you need to do is just to click to publish. Yeah, so when you click on publish, automatically your ad will start running. Not like it will start running, no, it will be under your ad will have gone, but it will be under, how will I put it? They will need to approve it for it to start going. Yeah, so that is the end of well, I believe it might look simple right now, but when you are trying to fix it, it might be a lot of work. You get. So that is how it is. That is how, basically, how to run ads on Meta for Facebook. So that's that. So if you have any question, let me pause this video. So if you have any question, you can ask me. But before that, I'm coming. Let me pause this video first. Stop. Not stop. Pause. Stop the recording.